What should I make a video on? I also have to hide the emoji cat with the hard eyes. Thanks, Yanks Rockin'! This thing's always recording at the wrong time. Why is it even on? Get out of here. I forgot to hide the cat. Hey guys, Link's Cat here, and today I think most of you can see the cat. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy because it's the first time I do it. And Yanks Rockin'. There you go. Sneezing challenge. I'm gonna switch it up a tiny bit. Just gonna see how much times I can make myself sneeze. I got 3 things. First, I've got paper. I'm gonna roll it up and stick it in my nose. I got pepper. And I got cinnamon. That's good. Okay, first, I'm gonna see if I can make myself sneeze with cinnamon. It don't work. So cinnamon does not work. How about pepper? Does not taste good. Smell it. If you haven't watched my sneezing challenge, go check it out. I don't know how to leave a link on my tablet, only on my computer, which I don't know how to do. I can find videos on computer with okay, just go check out my mom sneezing challenge to see how I sneeze if I don't sneeze. It don't work. Here's a pile of it. It don't work, it just burns. This don't work, I'm going to try Kleenex. Okay, roll it up, roll it up. Thanks, Yanks Rockin' for this video idea, and also for giving me the link of it. Just twist. It's like that. It's making me cough. There's my sneeze. Okay, did you? Let's try again. I need a new paper. Okay, now you gotta watch it roll. Actually, I'm gonna let my nose get a little bit ready. And at the end, I will review where the cat is. But probably to you guys all probably spot it already. If you didn't, comment down below. Please leave us a like too. Brr. Ugh! I'm gonna load up the other side now. You see how much times I'm sneezing? You hear the scream? Watch my sneeze, how I sneeze video, and that'll be right. Guys, I'm gonna sneeze as quiet as I can. And then as loud as I can. Let me try. This paper again. Has no one. Got another paper. I'm gonna rip it up. See how loud I can sneeze. No, how quiet, how loud I can sneeze, and then how quiet. Now, how quiet first. That's how quiet I can sneeze. Try it loud again. Oh, wow. Well, there's the sneezing challenge for you. Thanks, Rockin'. I might do another one some other day. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you're all new to the channel, please subscribe. And click that bell to be a part of Notification Squad. Wait, let's click the bell. Ring. My bell won't work. That's a really stiff bell. To be a part of Notification Squad. And let's see where the cat is. Sometimes you couldn't see him. And there he is. No! And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Actually, wait, don't leave! And go subscribe to Blazer Razor. Let me write it down. This is how you spell Blazer Razor. Let you look at it. Go subscribe to him. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! This time for real. Leave. Bye!